Harsh, all ready?
तू सिद्धी आणि दक्षताला होस्ट कर ना.
सर होस्ट आहेत.
तर सिद्धीला पण करा होस्ट.
शुभम मेसेज टाक सगळ्यांना जॉईन व्हायला आणि सगळ्या CR ला पण टाक.
हा हा.
Push. What time we are going to start? Push. Shubham,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
what time we are going to start?
Sir, we will wait for
10
minutes.
11.
Okay.
Sir, next 2 minutes.
Okay.
Ravin sir, can we start?
Yes, with the permission of principal, sir, we can
Principal,
start.
sir. Sir, can we start?
Yeah, I'm there. I was just waiting why we are not starting on time. Let's start, no? It's 11:07. So whether all first year, second year students are there and the entire student council is there. Khush? Khush.
Yes, sir. Most of us are here.
Huh?
Most of the students have joined. We have
Oh.
100 participants.
Okay, chalo. Then you can start, please. No problem. Hope all faculty members are also there. Faculty, all of you should switch on your videos. I don't know why this is to be told every time to everybody. This is very important occasion. Video should be on, no? कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, आपका अगर कॉम्बिंग अच्छा नहीं भी रहेगा तो कोई इशू नहीं, इतना थोड़ा बहुत प्लस माइनस चल जाएगा. चलो, या प्लीज स्टार्ट.
A very good afternoon to all the dignitaries. I am Siddhi Kodar and I am going to be a host for today from FID Farm. Well, firstly, I'd like to welcome each and every one of you to bid a farewell to our seniors. We are all very aware that today is the day to bid adieu to you, SYD Farm, with whom we spend this entire year. You guys have helped us a lot in coping with this online platform. You stood by us in both ups and downs. It's really hard for us to do this, but this is a farewell to you, our guardian angels. I would also like to congratulate you guys on behalf of everyone for your bright career and future endeavor. Now, moving forward, I'd like to call Mubashira for a short farewell speech.
Thank you, Siddhi. A very good morning to respected Principal Sir, Dr. Rakesh Sumani Sir, teachers, our seniors, and my friends. As we all know that today we all are here to bid a farewell to our seniors. I, Mubashira Dakwe, behalf of our class, FYD Farm, is here to give a farewell speech. I want to wish all my seniors for a bright future, and I'm sure that your hard work will bring success soon. Probably you guys will be missing out real life farewell, but we have left no stone unturned and have put all the efforts to make this day memorable for you. Even though it's online, you guys have been enormous source of support and inspiration for us, and we can never forget all the things you have done for us. You all guided us whenever we seeked your help. You guys really encouraged us and looked after us with respect. We learned many things in this university due to our seniors. You all are very kind-hearted, understanding, hardworking, and intellectually awesome. You all not only guided about studies, but also about life. You are leaving us today, but we'll always remember the powerful legacy you are leaving behind. My dear seniors, today you are taking off from university life and entering a new world. You will face many situations. Take a stand against anything wrong going around you and prove yourself. There is no doubt in your success. These are some inspiring lines for all of you. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. Here's also a short poem for you guys. Strangers once we were, and then it started with a simple hi. And now the fateful time is here when we all have to say goodbye. We don't know what the future holds, but our lives are about to completely change. All we are doing is turning a page. But our lives are about to completely change. But this isn't the end of book. All we are doing is turning a page. We all have aspirations and our dreams, and so we walk towards the final gate. A tear in the eye, yet smile on the face. Now for us, a new journey awaits. We all wish you all the very best for your successful and bright future ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, Mubashira. That was really sweet. Okay, now I'd like to request our beloved Principal Sir, Dr. Rakesh Somani, to share a few kind words with us.
Yeah, better you de-share this slide, no? Because when somebody is talking, let us have a complete panorama in front of the eyes. Otherwise, yeah, it's always better, you know. Whenever somebody is talking, no, please do this way, because people will feel that I am talking with the, the live faces rather than something different. Anyway, so very good morning and warm welcome to my dear second year diploma pharmacy student, the first batch of DY Patil University School of Pharmacy. I'm really, emotional today for two reasons, basically. The first reason is that my first batch of diploma is going to be into the professional front in the professional field, So typically, a feeling for a mother when her child or her for a father or for a mother when her child goes either for the after the marriage, a girl departs that kind of, literally that kind of feeling I have in my mind. That is one thing. And second is that a very unfortunate event, I mean, unfortunate thing, that we are not able to meet each other physically on this particular day. Because ultimately, this pandemic has proven one thing. People were talking about digitalization. Digitalization is the need of our, etc., etc., etc. Certainly it is. But the pandemic has taught us that digitalization cannot replace a human being. Digitalization cannot take the place for what human emotions have got, what that physical connection, physical context have got. So though we are meeting to each other on online platforms so many times, either during the lectures or during certain meetings and on various platforms, but that one-on-one connect, seeing each other, talking to you people, shouting at you, sometimes whenever you are indisciplined, kind of that kind of typical teacher's feeling, we missed ideally for a long period of time, typically 1.5 years or so. But nevertheless, certain times, man proposes and God disposes. That is what we say, that this situation is such a way that we cannot control it. And that's why whatever we can do, this event has been organized. Let me appreciate the entire student council, the council in charge, and most importantly, the first year diploma pharmacy students for their initiative of organizing this particular event. I mean, I'm really pity for these first year students that they could not have their seniors physically meeting them, having fun with them. Unfortunately, again, because I remember my college days, and I remember those days, when we used to have that teasing kind of thing, must be with our seniors and juniors, and it was amazing. Those 4 years of BPharm and 2 years of masters, this total 6 year span in my life has been a beautiful span in the entire career so far. Those 6 years cannot be replaced by anything else in this world. And I'm really unfortunate to understand that you people have missed it. But ठीक है, कुछ चीजें हमको करना पड़ता है, हमको आगे जाना है लाइफ में. So coming to the farewell, so I was thinking what to talk on this farewell, because typically you don't like, the new generation do not like talkings much more, particularly the speeches and all those things. So I repeat, go back to my first day lecture with you, or maybe first day interaction during the induction program with you. I hope I am audible, because there is a heavy rain outside and the mahol is also so beautiful that I wanted my students to take for some kind of picnic. Unfortunately, we missed that opportunity also. Anyway, coming to the point, that there are the 3 Ds which I had told you in the induction program. That is the discipline, determination, and dedication. So the same message I would continue further, because these are the 3 Ds which are going to help you for a long period of time in your life. Don't be shy of learning new things. Even today we are learning new things. So you have to be a lifelong learner. A person who feels that I know everything has started ruining his career, or has started going down in the career. So keep in the mind. So you have to be a learner always. My dear second year students, please learn this. Learn new technologies, new things daily. Take new responsibilities. Never run away out of from the new responsibilities wherever you go. Have a bright plan of the career. You should plan your career in such a way that you should see 5 years down the line where I will be, and chart your path accordingly. Plan right now that 5 years down the line where I should see myself, and you need to plan accordingly. Wherever you need you need our support, our guidance, we all are there. Though you are formally or physically going out of the college, but this bonding, this connection never ends. I should tell you that there are many of my students since my first batch of BPharm in 2005 till date. They are still connected to me for several reasons, and so that connection will be lifelong. That bonding will be lifelong. This social media and other platforms has brought us very close. But my expectation is that this bonding should be used for a fruitful growth of fruitful mutual growth. We always seek your help, seek your support in the college growth, and for that matter, we are always ready to support you whenever and wherever you need. Okay. So to conclude my message, I mean, there are so many points which I was writing when I joined this meeting, and I was on the mute mode. But I was writing, but I will not say much more because it is really emotional feeling in my mind, and my heart is really kind of full with the emotions that I really will not be able to probably meet you all in future. Maybe we will meet for some kind of taking the mark sheets and other kind of official thing, but not like this. Let's hope if we can seriously meet in future also. But the message is that I'm in a two-line share which I generally follow and which I always believe it to be. आप सब लोगों को सुनना है वो, और चाहिए तो अपने लाइफ में कोशिश करो वो अपने लाइफ में लाने की. आई एम ट्राइंग टू रीड इट. फलक ने ठानी है जहां बिजलियां गिराने की, फलक ने ठानी है जहां बिजलियां गिराने की, हमें भी जिद है वहां आशिया बनाने की, हमें भी जिद है वहां आशिया बनाने की. I mean, whenever there is a catastrophe going to happen, we are going to come out of it like a phoenix, and we are going to have a constructive future for us. With this message, I leave to the further program. My best wishes to each one of you. Doers of DY Patil University School of Pharmacy are always welcome. You are our beloved students, the first batch student, always there into the heart, and nothing to say much more. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. I'm sure they'll always remember the words given by you. Now I'd like to request Sushma ma'am to say a few words.
Good morning, everyone.
morning,
Especially welcome to all SY DPharm students. Welcome to all other people also. But this is your day. And I really don't know what I should say on this day. I'm not giving any formal speech over here. कोई lecture नहीं सुनना है आपको मुझसे, कोई डांट नहीं खानी है. But since last 2 years we were together, unfortunately the time which we spend physically together is really very less, and we all know who is the culprit behind that. However, in that short span also, you all have created a different space, all have created your different image, distinct image in all of us mind. I don't know how many of you knows this or no, but whenever we discuss about your class in the staff room, in the initial days, the image was like बहुत sincere बच्चे हैं, polite बच्चे हैं, सुनते हैं, बिल्कुल भी उल्टा जवाब नहीं देते हैं. These are the basic and very important values each and every student should have, and it is in you all. So I'm very happy. I feel proud for that also because I was your academic in charge. There were certain complaints from your side, issues were coming from your side. I don't know how many issues I could resolve or not, but this is what I can say. The institute as well as you both tried to get best even through this online mode. There are many things the pandemic has snatched from us, various events, joyful memories which we could have spent together during these 2 years, but nahi ho saka. That is what I can say. I always, whenever Anish especially calls me many times, Poonam called me many times, Akshita called me. So हर बार मेरा एक ही लास्ट आंसर होता था कि सी देखो कुछ अपने हाथ में तो है नहीं, देन क्या कर सकते हैं. So but okay, I know all of you must be with this mindset that if ends well, all is well. So on this day, what I can say to you all is, you all are really very good human beings. And at the same time, you all also have some caliber, professional caliber is also there. So what you just need to do is choose your career path accordingly, the caliber which is there in you. Fortunately, though the pandemic situation is there, almost more than 51 students of your batch are already placed, and you all should be thankful to our placement cell, especially Aditya sir. So, but then again, what I'll say is this is, don't consider this as an end of everything. You should always update your skills. You should also think about an entrepreneurships. Those who have an caliber, they should also think about the higher education, and you should groom yourselves in future too. You are very special because you are a first batch and you were really very sincere student. So I don't know what has happened in between, बीच में कुछ issues थे नहीं थे, अच्छा बुरा सारी चीजें mix up थी, and it is in every batch. It's not only you. We were also in college. सब जगह पे वही होता है. But I'm very happy that we have reached to the end with a good note. And surely today I'll not give any more lecture to you. I know already I have given you a lecture many times, even in my pharmacology lecture. आप ऐसे कर रहे हो, आप वैसे कर रहे हो, टीचर्स ऐसे कंप्लेन कर रहे हैं, ऐसे मत करो, लेक्चर अटेंड करो. बट टुडे इट्स नॉट अ डे फॉर दैट. So at last what I'll say is a very very all the best to all of you. Make us feel proud in the future also, and always be in a touch. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for such a lovely gesture. On to the next part, we have a special piece by Kush Jain for something he's been specially preparing for you guys.
Hello everyone, I hope everyone's safe and healthy. So today we are here for SY Diploma's farewell. We all have collectively spent some good time and created unforgettable memories by celebrating our freshers and our first Navitas. Live life to the fullest because we get just one life. So here we go with our first song. Next song is dedicated to our dear teachers and friends. Friendship refreshes our soul. So here we go. Congratulations and best wishes for your future adventure in your life and career. Let Almighty Lord be with us in our ups and downs and glorify the ride. Here we go.
That was really nice, Kush. Such a beautiful showcase of your talent. Now, anyways, let's not waste any time and move to the most interesting part of this event, the event where we'll play a game now. Mine not, but I would really like everyone to participate in this. So Sakshi, are we ready?
Yes, we are ready. Now we are moving ahead for our gaming rounds. I hope everyone participates proactively. Let's start the first game, Scavenger's Hunt. In this game, I'll show a picture which will have 5 objects. You have to collect those 5 objects in 90 seconds. And so quickly write your name in the chat box because at least I need 15 participants. Okay, I need 15 participants. Quickly write your name. The game must be exciting. Let's wait for the names to come.
If anyone is not doing putting their names, you can just pick the ones whose camera is on. Just do that way.
Okay, sir. I'll request Yasir Sayyad and Nilesh.
Did they just stop sharing the screen for a moment?
Okay, Anish, Poonamdi, Shruti, Nishant, Aman, Mohit Shah, and Saili, Ashish, Kirti, Ashish. Okay, I don't think anyone else is there. Shifa Sheikh, Pragya, okay, Jyoti Yadav. Okay, are we all ready? Okay, so let's listen. Let's go through the rules first. All players, can we please share the screen, Siddhi? Yeah, so let's go through the rules. All players need to turn on their webcams. Once you come back, write your name in the chat box. And okay, and the first, I guess, the first 10 will be going to the second round, and in second round, 5 will be the winner out of 10. Okay, let's start then. I'll wait. As soon as I show you the picture, you have to rush and get the items, whatever I'm going to show you. Is everyone clear with the rules in the game? So yeah, let's start. Show. Go get it fast, guys.
I am done.
Okay, Anish is first.
I'm done.
Nice.
Done.
Also, Poonam is second. Who else
Done.
is done?
Nilesh.
Okay.
Done. Done.
Please write your name in the chat box. Please write your name in the chat box as soon as possible. I won't be able to name you all. Kirti, Pragya, Anish, Saili, Poonam Di. Who else is done? Please write your name. I have only got 5 names. Let's wait for the rest. Okay, Nishant is also done. 6 names, more 4 names. Hurry up, guys. Okay, I guess the time is over. Get back to your places. Everyone, please get back to your places. I guess only 7 will be going to the next round. So, okay, let's add Shifa too. Okay, the 8 will be going to next round. Let's start next round. We will be having 4 as there are 8 people who are going to second round. So we will be having 4 winners in the second round and you will be the winners. So be quick in next round, okay? Okay, show. Run. Run, guys. Please write your name in the chat box, okay? Don't say done. It is booked. Nilesh, you can't say your mom or someone else to bring the items. You have to bring the items. I guess Poonam D is done. Okay, write your name in the chat box, Kiran. Guys, write your name in the chat box. Poonam D, Shifa D. Okay. Write your names in the chat box. Anish, okay. We have only one more. Come back. Shaili, okay. We have the winners. Come back, everyone. Shifa, no, wait. I'm not able to see her. Pragya, Anish, Saili. Wait a while, guys. Saili, Anish, Pragya, and Shifa. And Poonam Di, right? Poonam, Shifa, Anish, Saili are the winners of this scavengers hunt. So let's give an applause of hand. Let's clap for them. Okay. Thank you so much for your participation. Let's move on to the second game. In this game, it is Adapt the Tune. This game is teachers versus students. In this game, I would like to request all the teachers and SYD Farm students to participate with great enthusiasm. Now, I will request also Principal Sir to participate in this game. With due permission of our Principal Sir, can we start with our round, sir?
Please go ahead.
Okay, sir. So it is Adapt the Tune, our second game. So let's go through the rules first. If you know the song, raise your hand and do not say unless your name is taken. Okay. And name the song quickly when your name is taken. If you don't name the song as your name is taken, your the chance will go to the opposite team. Okay, like if the student is not able to answer, the teacher will be answering, or if the teacher's team is not able to answer, the student's team will answer. Okay, and the third, you will get extra bonus point if you sing the song. It is like even if you're losing and if you sing the song, you'll be able to win. You don't need to sing the whole song. Even a bit of even a para is okay. Well, you will get an extra bonus point. So let's start, sir. Ready, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. Play. Play. Siddhi, I guess there is some problem. We are not able to hear it. It's not audible.
Can you?
Yeah, now it's audible. Please play it from the beginning. You cannot sing, the participant will be disqualified. The team will get a minus point. Okay, I guess Siddesh is the first one. So Siddesh, which song is it?
चिटिया का लैया वे.
Okay, you get the students team get a point. Please play the next song. Teachers, please hurry. Okay, Praveen sir.
मुझसे शादी करोगी.
Yeah.
Sir, sing it. We'll get more points.
Yeah, sir. Would you like to sing?
Sir, I think Aditya sir will be appropriate one. Sir, just give me a chorus. We will sing both.
Yeah, you both can also sing, sir. But the person who has answered has to also sing along with them.
Sir, starting? Huh? Sir? कब तक
starting? कब तक जवानी छुपाओगी रानी.
गवारों को कितना सताओगी. गवारों को हाँ obviously. कभी तो किसी की दुल्हनिया बनोगी.
दीवानिया बनोगी.
मुझसे शादी करोगी. नहीं मुझसे शादी करोगी. Done.
That was beautiful. We all enjoyed it a lot. So the teachers team get 2 points in round 2, and students are yet on 1 point. Students, even you guys need to sing a song, right? Okay, so let's move to the third round.
Hey, just a request. Can you just de-share the screen and run the music? I mean, I'm just asking.
Sir, actually the music is in that PPT only. So yes.
Please go ahead.
After de-sharing also, you can just play the PPT. Share the screen.
Okay, fine, sir. But sir,
want to see
audible?
Yeah, it would be.
Just check it now once.
Okay, fine. Siddhi, try to play
It's the same song.
So teachers team also include all the non-teaching staff. So they should also participate.
Yes, for sure. Please raise your hands. If the non-teaching staff also knows, please raise your hand. Anish, you cannot raise your hand already. Stop the music. Okay. Umakant Yadav.
Yes. 1 2 का 4.
Yes, that's the right answer.
सिंगर
गाना गा
अरे याद नहीं यार पूरा lyrics.
गाना 1 अरे वही 1 2 का 4 उसी के स्टार्टिंग
AG
मैं हूँ मनमोहन
ऐसा हूँ मैं जो
तुम करो जी 1 2 का 4 4 2 का 1 my name is
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. This was from students team. So in round 3, students get 2 points. So it is a total of 3 students on 3 points and teachers are on 2 points. So let's get ahead to the 4th round. Next, please, Siddhi. Okay, stop the music. Okay, Sushma ma'am. Ma'am, you are not unmute.
जो गाढ़ा तेरा रंग
जो गाढ़ा तारा
बरोबर है.
Yes.
Ma'am, would you like to sing along?
I would like, but I don't know the lyrics, so
you have the liberty to Google.
Aditya sir is ready.
Aditya is helping me. It's so good.
Ma'am is very good singer, by the way.
Yes. So
Ma'am, फिर तो बनता ही है, ma'am. You must sing, ma'am. Please request.
Really, I don't know the lyrics. Otherwise, I could have.
You can Google it. Or Aditya sir can also help, I guess.
Somebody, if start, then I can definitely sing something.
I would recommend to sing a song whose lyrics is known to her.
Yes, ma'am. That is also okay.
Better.
Which one should I say today?
anyone.
स्टाफ रूम मध्ये जे नेहमी म्हणतात.
काश के हम होश में कब आने ना पाए, बस नगमे तेरे प्यार के गाते ही जाए.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was lovely to hear you.
Thank you.
Welcome, ma'am. So let's begin to. Okay, no. In 4th round, teachers get 2 points. So teachers are on 4 and students are on 3.
No, it's 1 point only.
Don't worry, sir. आप ही जीतोगे. आप अभी lead पे हो. Sir, principal, sir, we are missing you. We want you also to raise your hand if you know it. Okay, let's.
By the time I start recollecting, already there are so many hands have raised. you know,
Okay, sir.
I'm a
If,
bit poor in that, but I will try. You
no,
continue.
the next song, I'll give it to you.
No, you continue. If I can, I will certainly.
Okay, sir. Sure, sure. So let's move to the 5th round. Okay, stop the music. No one from the teachers?
I resigned.
It's not audible actually.
It was not audible, ma'am.
No, it was audible, but I resigned. I don't
Yes,
know why.
yes, sir. I can see that.
Yeah.
Okay. But sir, I guess Akshita Di was prior than you,
No
so
problem.
Di will have the chance.
सात समुंदर.
Sat Samundar.
It is the right.
Akshita गाना गा.
You have to sing, yeah.
You have to sing because your team
have
is
to sing.
already behind.
सात समुंदर पार में तेरे पीछे पीछे आ गई. पीछे पीछे आ गई.
Everyone can, like, you have to sing a para. Go.
भी तेरी जान मेरे कदमों के नीचे आ गई. Akshita, say it.
Ma'am, you cannot help. You are from the opposite team.
No, they are my students.
Ma'am, देखो फिर ma'am.
We are always in one team.
Ma'am. Okay, thank you so much, Akshita Di.
Welcome.
So in this 5th round, students also get 2 points. So students are on 5, teachers are on 4. So let's get ahead on 6th round. Okay, stop the music. Pravin sir.
It's Ranbir Singh song. I forget.
Tatar.
That I know.
Tatar.
Okay, so would you like to sing, sir?
Sir, say yes.
Sushma ma'am will also accompany you.
Sir, I'll also tell that Jagtap sir is also have
Yes.
a voice. Nice voice he has.
Everyone can sing. In singing, there is no limitation. Everyone from the same team, everyone can sing, even in teachers and students.
Oh, if he sings, you will appreciate. If I sing, you will just leave the meeting.
Jagtap sir, it's
Aditya
Ram
sir
ji
is
ki
just-
चाल देखो.
But again the same problem, ma'am. I also don't know its lyrics
Okay.
properly.
Okay, so anyone else from the teachers team wants to sing the song for extra point?
Aditya should sing the song.
Nani sir.
He's saying no.
Aditya sir, try once.
Sir, this is not.
Yes, Aditya sir.
try
We
once.
won't. We lock the meeting. We won't leave.
He won't leave.
It goes something like this. Ram ji ki chaal dekho.
आंखों की मजाल देखो.
आंखों की मजाल
आंखों की
देखो.
देखो. करे ये
और
धमाल देखो.
अरे ये धमाल देखो.
चाल देखो, ढाल देखो, रगों में उबाल देखो.
Goes like that.
Thank you so much, Sushma ma'am, Aditya sir. So in this round, we will give 2 points even to the teachers, though Pravin sir was not able to regain the name, but it's a leniency. So let's get ahead to 7th round. Stop the music. Okay, Pravin sir was really quick this time.
गली में आज चांद निकला है.
Yes, sir, it is absolutely the right. Please, can you sing? Sushma ma'am will be also knowing the lyrics. You can sing along, ma'am.
Sakshi.
Yes,
if,
sir.
If teachers are not singing, then don't give points to them also. They should sing the song because that is what then there is maja. Otherwise, maja.
Sir, you should also sing then.
I will sing with them.
Yes, sir.
I will sing with them, no doubt. But let them sing.
Okay, sir. Sure, sure. Sir, you also sing, please, sir, with along them. It's a request. Okay, sir. Like Sushma ma'am, Praveen sir, please.
आज कितने दिनों के बाद गली में आज चांद निकला, गली में आज चांद निकला. That's it.
तुम आए तो आया मुझे याद गली में अच्छा निकला.
ये स्क्रीन पे है ना पूरा गाना. 4 लाइन तो बोलो जरा कम से कम. मजा क्या आ रहा है एक गाना लाइन बोलो.
आए तो आया मुझे याद गली में अच्छा निकला, जाने कितने दिनों के बाद गली में अच्छा निकला. तुम आए तो आया मुझे याद गली में अच्छा निकला, गली में अच्छा निकला.
It was absolutely lovely, ma'am. Very nice, ma'am. Thank you so much. And in this 7th round also, teachers are on the lead.
I wasn't knowing Sushma madam has a good voice. So
She really do, sir. She really do.
Yeah, okay, great.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Go ahead.
So let's go on the 8th round. Students, buck up where you raise your hand as soon as you know. Okay, let's go on the 8th round. Oh, stop. Okay, Poonam Di.
It's Brown Monday.
It is right.
But its lyrics is very, very bad. I don't know the lyrics. उसके words बहुत रहते हैं.
We can like screen share it, like the lyrics.
Yeah, if you share the lyrics, then it's okay.
Can we please, Siddhi? Siddhi, are we able to do it?
Siddesh, Taha, you all can also join.
Everyone, students team can join. There is no barrier.
Poonam, ready?
Okay. Yes, yes. Lembo truck with Chigedi City, Bollywood. गीत ऐसे बुढ़ने यार ऐसे
Bollywood music
music
दीवाना पल्दी कोई फेवाना गोभी ऑन द
दादे ओ दादे लिरिक्स चंगे जेड़े चाड़े देसी ऐसे को न चले देसी ब्राउन मुंडे क्लाउड मुंडे
गागा लिरिक्स देश.
Okay, that's it, I guess. Okay, that was not so very Surila, but okay. At least she did sung. So thank you so much, Dee. Thank you so much, everyone from students team. So here you get 2 points in the 8th round. So let's move ahead. There are only more two rounds. So please buck up, everyone. The students team is behind. So okay, let's move to the 9th round. Okay, stop the music. Okay, I am not able to know the name.
It's Varisha.
Sorry?
Varisha.
Varisha, okay. So yeah, Varisha Di.
जब तक है जहाँ जाने जहाँ मैं नाचूंगी.
Sing Varisha.
Sing.
मुझे कंपनी दो मैं गाऊंगी.
हाँ sure.
जब तक है जहाँ जाने जहाँ मैं नाचूंगी.
Okay, don't know the lyrics ahead. That's it. You have to sing at least a para, guys.
Varisha, you know the lyrics?
No.
Okay. You can Google it. You can Google it. We can wait for 5 seconds max to max. Or else
Arey
we'll only-
screen. No, you share the screen. We want the screen.
Okay, it will be time consuming, but okay, fine. On your request. Okay, go ahead, guys.
ये शायरी है स्टार्टिंग में.
The lyrics are of this thing, Basanti, that thing. जब तक है जा मैं नाचूंगी. Sorry for the misconvenience. Please give us a bit time. Okay, go ahead. You asked for the lyrics.
Poonam, start.
Yeah. Please go ahead, guys.
Varisha, you start.
You can only wait for 5 seconds, not more than that. You are getting the lyrics too.
प्यार से क्या प्यार से मैं कभी डरता नहीं. ये sorry यार, I don't know this song.
प्यार
Old song है.
कभी भी मरता नहीं,
मौत से भी
डरता नहीं. लुट जाएंगे मिट जाएंगे
We are very
मर
bad
जाएंगे हम,
singer.
जिंदा
Teachers को
रहेगी
pass करते हैं.
हमारी.
Sushma ma'am will sing.
Sarita was also doing good.
Yeah.
Sarita,
Oh,
go
Sarita.
ahead.
Yeah, Sarita, continue.
Sarita, you can go ahead. You can really sing. You are really singing good.
Sarita, start. मौत से भी डरता नहीं. लुट जाएंगे मिट जाएंगे मर जाएंगे हम. मर जाएंगे जिंदा रहेगी हमारी दास्ता. ओहो जब तक है जाने जहां मैं नाचूंगी.
Very
Okay.
nice. Thank you, Sarita.
Guys, it's a request. Please rename your names. I'm not able to see the names.
They are still in that exam phase. So.
Okay, thank you. I'm not able to name her. Okay, thank you so much. Sarita and this. Okay, so in this round, the second last round, students get 2 points, and in the last round, so whoever will raise their hands first, it will go to them. Okay, so it's 10th one. Let's go ahead, Siddhi. Okay, stop.
Students were the first ones. Basically.
Yes. Okay, so Santosh Madani.
Yes.
Which song was that?
जब मुश्किल पड़ जाए तुम रहना साथ मेरे.
Camera, the point will not be given. The point will not be given.
Yes.
Okay, which song was that?
जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए तुम रहना साथ मेरे.
In this, you cannot take help of any Google, no screen sharing. You have to sing the right lyrics. If you are singing the right lyrics, then only your point will be given.
We know the lyrics.
Not to teachers. So Santosh Madane can only sing in this case. No one can help. If you help, you will get a minus point.
जब कोई सांस गड़ जाए,
जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब
हाँ।
कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना
देना
साथ
साथ
मेरा,
मेरे।
ओ
Who
हम
is
नवा।
helping? Who is helping?
It's okay. It's okay. Not an issue. Yeah.
Okay, ठीक है, कर लो. Okay, you can. Where is he, Santosh?
Yes.
Yeah, please continue.
No idea. आगे.
Someone was singing along. You can let.
No idea.
अमीना
आगे का मुझे.
अमीना
अमीना
उतना क्या आता था मुझे?
अच्छा
कोई
गा
तो
रही थी,
कंपनी
अच्छा
होगा
था,
ना.
सही लिरिक्स था।
प्रवीण सा कंटिन्यू सा.
जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए,
जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा, ओ हम नवा।
न कोई
न है न कोई
है तुम्हारे में तुम्हारे सिवा,
तुम देना
साथ मेरा, ओ हम नवा।
Okay, it was completely beautiful. Thank you so much, everyone. And in 10th round, students are getting 2 points. So give a second to calculate. So your teachers are there with 8 points and students are there with 11 points. So the students are the winners. Thank you so much, teachers and students. Thank you so much. It was great time with you all. So I'll hand it over to Siddhi.
Thank you so much, Sakshi. That was really great. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed it. But now I know that some of you all have been waiting for this one person for a lot of time to say something because you love him so much. So I'd like to call or request Aditya sir, please share a few words with your students. I'm sure they're dying to hear it from you.
Well, thank you, Siddhi. But thank you all for being there. So I really don't have any speech today. So I really do. You must have been bored with my speech lectures, and actually I have just scared you off the exam, and it just finished yesterday. So let's start from the beginning, I guess. From the 3rd September 2019, that was your first day, I guess, in the college, and today is 12th June. So it's almost a journey of 21 months that you have been into. So from 21 months, I was there from 13th September, I guess. I joined 10 days later to you. And the first lecture, I guess, the BCP lecture I took, and you're like, khadus hai, matlab lagta hai khadus hai, I guess. So that was the start. And it went just smoothly with you all. 8 months we had, 7 to 8 months, whatever we had of the offline session was one of the greatest ones. Yeah. So then the lockdown came, then your exam went offline. Yeah, sorry, online. Then everything went online afterwards. We were thinking कि थोड़े दिनों बाद हट जाएगा, थोड़े दिनों बाद हट जाएगा. हमारी एग्जाम, फाइनल एग्जाम भी फिजिकली होगी, क्या होगी, नहीं होगी. So it went along. But I think whatever we had was a great one. It was a mixture of offline and online. So feel privileged to have that you are the batch who enjoyed both the things, the offline ones and the online ones. And I hope your juniors would be enjoying the things offline soon. Yeah, I really out of words today, because you were there for everything that we have been into. Okay, with your batch, I have grown as a teacher. Okay, most of the times I was there. I was learning from you कि बच्चों को कैसा चाहिए, how one should be with them and everything. Yeah, so they have given my speech as a life motivational speech. They have entitled the FY diploma students have entitled my speech as a life motivational speech. But I don't think more of a motivation is needed to you. You have done very good things from the Reliance internship that many of you have got. You have grabbed the opportunity with the both hands. Okay, whichever has been presented to you. So you are the best. Yeah, I'll tell you. One thing I like to say, many of you were saying कि sir हमारा पूरा साल ऐसा ही चला गया, first year भी थोड़ा हो गया, second year भी थोड़ा हो गया. So do one thing, don't worry what happened behind, okay, what happened in the past. You can't change anything. You can't change anything. You can't change anything in your life which has happened. What you can change, whichever is happening next. So today might be end of your diploma academics, yeah, but sooner you will be joining the good companies, yeah, the Apollo Pharmacies, the Wellness Forever and the Reliance, and some of you are doing at their place also. So just every end, as Sushma rightly said, every end is a new beginning. So this is just not the end. This is not the end I wanted, really. I just wanted you all to be there. Yeah, I just really wanted, from the roll number 1 to roll number 58, from Shruti Andhre to Umakant Yadav, everyone I love. I'll just I'm bit, I guess I'm running out of track. So just remember one thing. I'll if any difficulty in your life, it comes, when a difficulty presents to yourself, okay, don't worry about it. If anything big is going to happen, I'll just drop a message, drop a dialogue from Kans, sorry, Shakuni Mama from the Mahabharata, कि रणभूमि में युद्ध हो उससे पहले मनोभूमि में खेला जाता है. Okay, so whatever you are going to do, you are playing it in your mind first. 50% of the strength, 50% of the battle is already won or lost in the mind. आप जब तक वहां जाते हो उससे पहले ही ये डिसाइडेड रहता है कि आप जीतोगे या नहीं जीतोगे. So never fear of any difficulty in your life. Yeah, you are the best. I'll say, if you can see my t-shirt for you, I just wore this t-shirt. You are all the champions for me. So it's very beautiful. Each and every one from the all 58 of you are the champions for me. And just to define the champion, it's my wallpaper. And Somani sir always tells me, ye wallpaper hamesha kyun rakhta hai tu? So my wallpaper always says a champion is someone who gets up when he can't. Okay, there is no champion. हर बार जीतोगे उसके वजह से champion नहीं होता. जो गिर के उठता है, that is the champion. So in your life, be the champions of yourself. Okay, don't let anyone decide anything. Be the ones who you are the one who will decide everything in your life. So you know that if I speak too much, I'm literally, you can see I can't even speak properly right now. So because of emotions, all the emotions of you all. Last thing, I'm always there. Yeah, any time, any day you will face, you feel like you want to speak to me or to the School of Pharmacy, you are always welcome. So signing off with the message, don't worry, be happy and keep smiling. Yeah, it is a sign of strength and hope. So keep smiling. Yeah, thank you all. Thank you, Siddhi.
Thank you so much, Aditya sir. That meant a lot. Now, our very own student council has prepared something for you guys. So I would like to request Harsh to start the screen sharing.
मैं खोया तो ढूंढना आइयो, चुपके से एक ख्वाब में जाइयो, होठों की सद से मुझे बुलाइयो। यही हूँ मैं, कहीं ना गया तुझे छोड़ के मैं, यही हूँ मैं, यही हूँ मैं, जुड़ा हूँ तुझे तोड़ के मैं। हंसना तू मेरी हंसी, करना वो जिद जो भी अनजानी उन्हीं अदाओं से। आंखें मूंद कर कभी जीने ना तू ख्वाबों से भी लिए थे जो मेरी बाहों में। जब याद ले मेरा नाम ले, तेरे बोल बन जाऊंगा, बहाने से तेरे लब छू लूंगा, ना होके भी हो जाऊंगा। हम रहे या ना रहे कल, कल याद आएंगे ये पल, पल ये है प्यार के पल। चल आ मेरे संग चल, चल सोचे क्या छोटी सी है जिंदगी। कल मिल जाए तो होगी खुश नसीबी। हम रहे या ना रहे, याद आएंगे ये पल। हम रहे या ना रहे कल, कल याद आएंगे ये पल, पल ये है प्यार के पल। चल आ मेरे संग चल, चल सोचे क्या छोटी सी है जिंदगी। कल मिल जाए तो होगी खुश नसीबी। रहे या ना रहे, याद आएंगे ये पल। हम रहे या ना रहे, याद आएंगे ये पल।
Thank you so much, student council. That was really nice. I mean, I'm not the one going, but still I feel very emotional right now. So I can see a lot of you guys have tears and all in your eyes, and it's very hard moment for you. But I'm sure some of you do have to say something to your faculties, your non-teaching staff, your friends. So let's have this moment for those who want to express their feelings. Let's go.
Siddhi, I'd like to say something. So may I?
Yeah, sure.
I hope I'm audible enough.
Yeah.
Okay, so good afternoon, everyone that have been present today here just for us for the one last time. And I think the whole second year DPharm batch agrees with me when I say this, that 2021 graduating batch is the only batch in the whole world that doesn't get the real life farewell and also the graduation party. But you teachers, you staff members, non-staff members, you all have been an inspiration to us and you have supported us throughout the years, and we will never forget these 2 years that we have spent in D.Y. Patil University School of Pharmacy. And I'd like to say that there are a few qualities of teachers that I'd like to share with you all. Like, they affected on us more than the other people. So the first person would definitely be Dr. Rakesh Samani sir. So you have been an inspiration for us, and from the first day, you have been a role model to a lot of us. And we will never forget the value of proactiveness and the 3Ds in our life. And we are just grateful for everything that you have done, and you are continuing to do so. And our academic in charge, Dr. Aditya sir. Sir, your support throughout the year has been enormous, and we can't thank you enough. You always call us mere bacche log, but now your bacche logs have grown up, and now we are ready to face the outside world. So we leave this campus, but our hearts are always there between you guys. And my mentor, Praveen Jagtap sir, you have been an excellent mentor, and I wouldn't have asked for any other better mentor for me. You have always guided, supported, and cheered us up. And I'd like to say, Pratik Chaskar sir, we have troubled you a lot. We have been so mischievous, but you never lost hope in us. You always made us grab all the education, all the knowledge, and you never got upset with us, and you also forgave us vividly. And last, I would like to thank every faculty members, every non-faculty members, like Sushma ma'am, Hiren sir, Ojas sir, Farzeen ma'am, everyone that I would be missing out right now because I can't express wholly with all the video and all the emotional going on. And lastly, I would like to say to all my friends that let us promise that when we go out from this institution, we bring pride to our college because they have given us so much knowledge and they have molded our personality. And let us promise that this farewell is not the end and we stay in touch no matter what. So thank you for listening.
That was quite emotional. Sir, I have received a long text from one of the person from SYD Farm, and the person wants me to read this out and keep his name anonymous. Sir, so hello everyone. I'll not take much of your time today. 2 years went so quick and journey has ended now. I just want to thank you all for being so supportive throughout the journey. Throughout my entire student life, I have never seen such management, right from principal sir, academic in charge, exam in charge, council in charge, and all the faculty members, non-teaching staff. You all have been simply amazing. You were more than a teacher. It felt like you were a friend, mentor, making us understand and guiding us, shaping us to be a better person. It felt like a family in this unknown city. Every teacher can teach us what's written in the book, but there are very few who shared their life experiences and made us understand about how things keep going in and around us. I'll always be grateful to each one of you. I'll love to say something on behalf of our class. Firstly, thank you for tolerating us on this online platform. I know students haven't replied in spite of asking so many times. They kept themselves on mute. Their cameras were turned off. Maybe we took an online platform for granted. Thank you for being so patient even after we didn't reply. But हम शेर है तो हमारे कुछ फैकल्टी सवा शेर है. There were few faculties जो सीधा Zoom meeting से निकाल देते थे, as they well knew how to get us on right track. But it's okay for now. With heavy heart, it's time to leave, taking all these beautiful memories. It hurts as a batch we couldn't enjoy our college life. We couldn't spend time together. But the ultimate goal of coming here and achieving the degree is going to be successful. And you all management will be the reason behind this success. Thank you first year diploma and bachelor in pharmacy students for everything. Wishing you good luck. We'll miss the teachers, campus and friends. आज आप यह सामने देख रहे हो जो आपने कभी नहीं देखा, तो आपको आज वो करना पड़ेगा जो आपने कभी नहीं किया. Change is the only constant. Remember guys, there is no shortcut to success. So keep going. All the best to all of you and to all my friends. Let us promise that this farewell is not the last day. We are going to see each other. Let us promise that we are not going to stay in touch no matter what. हम रहे या ना रहे कल कल याद आएंगे ये पल, कल याद आएंगे ये पल. With loads of love, you are sincerely anonymous.
Thank you so much, Ujjwal.
To add up.
Thank you, Divya, also. That was really sweet. You guys made the day today. So I think, is there anyone still left to say your last byes, or I don't know?
I want someone from non-teaching staff to talk if they wish to express their feelings about this batch. That will be also great. Maybe Bhagyashri is there, or Nita Patil is there, or whosoever. Anyone from non-teaching staff, you can speak the way you want, the language you wish. It will be great, because then only the program will be complete when someone from you also talk. आहे कोणी आहे का? नीता, भाग्यश्री, तुम्ही आहात तिथे किंवा विजय? They are there in this meeting? I don't know. I'm not able to see them. I'm just scrolling down. Take it ahead, please. Anyways, yeah, go ahead.
Okay, so thank you everyone for your participation and patience, and I hope you guys loved it. Well, it's time to say bye. So let's conclude our event with a vote of thanks, which my classmate Dakshita will deliver.
Yeah, Siddhi, just before a vote of thanks, two announcement, important thing.
Yes, sir.
One is that there will be exit meeting, or I mean exit, what you call Aditya?
Exit quiz.
Exit quiz, yeah. So there will be exit quiz post your training or internship or training. Okay, so that everybody has to attend so as to get the diploma degree or diploma certificate, point 1. Point 2, we will be conducting one survey. Sushma madam will be sharing a survey format. We call it as program outcome attainment survey. So this survey will talk about what you have learned, not a technical thing, but the important attributes what you have learned in the last 2 years in this institution. So that will be asked into that survey. So Sushma madam will share that survey. So please fill that survey, and because your inputs are important. And third, we will be having a lot of webinars, in due course of time. Do attend. We'll be keep sharing, because anyway we are not going to dissolve this group unless and until the entire process of the examination and other things are over. So we will certainly miss you. And as I mentioned in my message also, there will be an alumni meet in future. I will be happy to see few of you coming for the second year degree course as a lateral entry student after doing your diploma. I'll be really happy if you can join us for the degree course also in future. And also we'll be meeting. There will be a lot of ample of opportunity will be created for our meeting in future. Don't worry about it. I'm sure Aditya sir would take the lead into that, and we'll execute this activity in future. Thank you. Yeah, over to you, Siddhi, please.
Yeah, Siddhi, I would also like to say something. So I would really like to appreciate the FY diploma students here. Okay, so I was behind them. From Monday their exam is there. So I haven't forget it. But still, you guys made a really good host event this time around. Okay, so thank you. And the student council and the Naik sir. I mean, Naik sir, obviously he is the in charge. He has handled it so well. So thank you, FY diploma, the student council, and Naik sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. So now let's conclude our event with a vote of thanks. Dakshita.
Yeah, thank you, Siddhi. Very firstly, I would like to thank our principal, Dr. Rakesh Somani sir, for his constant support throughout the program. Also, thank you, Praveen Nayak sir, for our council in charge, Aditya sir, Sushma ma'am, and all other for their guidance throughout. We also thankful of Kushin, our general secretary, the culture committee, and entire FYD farm who really worked hard to make this event successful. Lastly, thank you everyone. Have been a lovely audience. All the best, SYD farm. Thank you. Over to you, Siddhi.
So now our session has been ended, but I request everybody to fill the feedback form, which will be circulated in the chat box. So let us know your feedbacks.
So we should leave, no, now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so thank you. Bye, everybody. See you.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Guys, you can end the meeting.